What's up guys, Arsentech here, and today I will show you how to make your Windows 10 terminal look amazing. In order to do that, first we need to install Nerd Fonts. Click on the first link and then Downloads. Find the font you want to download. I recommend you downloading the Foreground or Gist Mono fonts. Let's install Oh My Posh. Go to its GitHub repo, click on the latest release, download the suitable MSI file from here. Here it says x64 based processor. Download the x64 version of that installer. Let's install Clink CMD. Click on the GitHub repo, then the website, or you can type chrisan996.github.io/clink. Download the installer on an exe file. We are downloading some fonts, Clink to change the CMD and customize it, and the Oh My Posh. Let's open the CMD. This is the normal CMD. Right click on the title and select defaults. And then change colors. This process will take a long time. All you need is to go to the official website of the Dracula theme for Windows Terminal. Use ChatGPT with the following prompt to save some time. It automatically generates the RGB format. And with that, let's set the color scheme manually. Okay. After manually entering the color values, let's choose the color, like screen background and screen text. Hit OK and restart the terminal. Now the terminal has different colors. First, let's extract the font, for example this. Let's extract Foreground to a single folder, select all the TTF files, copy the file, then go to C drive, Windows Fonts, and paste it right here. Right click on the title and then select defaults. This time let's go to the font and choose the Foreground Nerd Font Mono or Retina version. I will choose Retina version of it. Let's try restarting it, and there we go. Let's install Oh My Posh and Clink. Let's launch the command prompt again. All I need is to download the theme of that. You can see themes by going to ohmyposh.dev and click on see themes. You can choose the theme if you want to, but I will choose Atomic. Let's run Clink config prompt use Oh My Posh. It re-enters to the Oh My Posh prompt, but to change the theme, use Clink set Oh My Posh theme, then a default theme. There we go. And with that, we have successfully designed the CMD despite few errors. That red hash means we are in a root user or we are in administrator. To apply the same to PowerShell, you should install the latest version. Let's apply the same to here. This will launch the command, but to apply this command every time I start PowerShell, let's open the notepad with a dollar profile. It asks you to create a profile, click yes. After that, paste the exact same command right here and save that file. Now if I launch PowerShell again, there we go. The same applies to here. If you have Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, let's apply the changes right here. So open Visual Studio Code, launch the terminal, click on here, then configure terminal settings, then search for font. Type the chosen font family you have downloaded from Nerd Fonts, increase the font size a little bit to make it comfortable, and restart the Visual Studio Code terminal. There we go. We have configured the Visual Studio Code terminal just like this. Here it's different. It detects the Node.js version. It also detects what repo I'm working on. Let's do the same on Visual Studio. The same problem appears right here. Go to the Tools menu, select Options, then Fonts and Colors. Show settings for Terminal. Again, choose your preferred nerd font, for example Foreground, and then choose a size a little bit. Click OK, and there we go. If I go to a PowerShell, again, it's still same. And that's how to make your buff terminal look amazing. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share this video and comment, and don't forget to join my Patreon page. Stay safe and have a nice day.